Hi, I'm Dr. Daniel Hoover with Beach TV's Tai Chi for Beginners. Welcome to Tai Chi in the Park, part of a series on integrative medicine. You'll see how we practice Tai Chi in the park, and it's very accessible. We encourage you to find a place to practice Tai Chi near you. What I want you to get is that Tai Chi is one of the top 5 exercises you could ever do according to Harvard. In fact, it's number 2 on the list. Look at how accessible, fun, and relaxing Tai Chi can be. Traditional greeting, cover your right fist with your left hand. This symbolizes peace. All right, wonderful. We're going to start with our warm-up. Go ahead and get into a horse stance. In the horse stance, you want to feel grounded. One way to do that is to unlock your knees and feel the springiness in your knees. So let's go ahead and turn side to side, loosening up the low back and the waist. Nice, gentle way to warm up. Energetically, with Qigong, we like to tap our kidneys in the back. Sitting on top of the kidneys are the adrenal glands. We tend to get adrenal fatigue in today's society. This is a good way to wake them up in the morning. All right, very good. Let's slow it down. Bring our feet and our knees together. We want to warm up the knees. And are you all able to hear me in the back? Yes? Great. Okay, warm the knees up and then support the knees on the outside. We're just going to do some warming up, some circles with the knees. Lubricate the knee joints and other direction. All right, very good. Horse stance. Many of us know Tai Chi is very good for balance. We get our first balance test and exercise. This is called Golden Rooster stands on one leg. Shift your weight to your left leg. Slowly bring your right leg and hand up. Good. And slowly bring it down. Very good. Shift your weight to the other side. Left leg and hand come up together and down. One more time, both sides. Breathe in on the way up, out on the way down. Last time, in, out. My kids just got here. Love it. Back to horse stance. Hi, Milana. Okay, let's go ahead and begin the Qigong exercises. Bring your feet underneath your hips. There's 8 Qigong exercises. These are designed to open up the 8 extraordinary meridians in the body. Open up the superhighways of the body so that the Qi or energy can flow freely. This first one is called lifting heaven or lifting sky. Breathe in through the nose, palms to the sky. Finish your in-breath at the top. Hold. Exhale through the mouth softly. Good. One more time. In through the nose. Smooth, fluid movements. Hold at the top. Out through the mouth. Connecting the breath with the movement. Very good. Throughout today's practice, I want you to pay attention to how your physiology, your state starts to shift. I say that because I'm noticing my state is shifting just with that exhale. There's these gems with Tai Chi and Qigong, and if you pay attention, you'll experience it too. Horse stance. Number 2 is called the hunter draws the bow and arrow. So we're going to use our imagination. You want to be a little more grounded, deeper horse stance. Cross your arms. Aiming to the left, draw your imaginary bow and arrow. As you breathe in, expand the chest, release the string, both hands come down, exhale, out. Prepare for the other direction, crossing the arms, draw the string back, in through the nose, shoulder blades come together, release the string, breathe out. One more time, both sides. In, release, out. You might feel a little burn in your legs. That's on purpose. That's by design. Last time, in through the nose, expand the chest, release, and breathe out. This is called, has a name, nourishing the kidneys. We talked about it when we were hitting the kidneys earlier. Now we're going to energize them with our hands, and it's called nourishing the kidneys. Breathe in through the nose as your hands float up. Slight arch in the back. Exhale through the mouth as our palms come down. And just feel the energy field around your hands. Breathe in, bring your hands to your kidneys. Breathe out, charging those kidneys out. Go down the back of your legs. Nice little stretch here. And then slowly come up. It's nice to go one vertebrae at a time. One more time. In through the nose. Smooth, fluid movements. Out through the mouth. Soft shoulders, soft hands. In and out through the kidneys, down the back of the legs. Slowly come up. One last inhale to the shoulder height. So we go in, shoulder height, and out. Horse stance. All right. These last two are designed to energize us, and then we'll begin the Tai Chi. This is called wide eyes to amass power. What we'll do is we will breathe in, not yet, but together we're going to breathe in, and your arms become like a spring. They come back, and there's this energy that wants to release, and then with the exhale, you go out, whoom, and just push those fists forward. All right, we'll do it together. In, hold, ready, excellent. With your left hand, you're going to grab and breathe in. Slowly bring your right fist back. Slow, controlled exhale as you push your fist forward, bringing the other fist back. In, out. In, out. Very good. Again. Out. All right, the last two, big power. Ready? In, hold it. Ready? Excellent. In, hold, your best power. Ready? Wow, all right, good one. Good, good, good. Step out into horse stance. Breathe in, breathe out. Shift your weight to your right leg, open your left foot out. Shift weight left and gather your ball. Slowly bring it in. And instructors, we're going to go a lot more slowly in the beginning here so we don't lose anyone. Step out with your foot, heel to toe, as we part the horse's mane. We give and receive. Keep your left hand on top. As we step forward, you're going to gather your Tai Chi ball and step forward with your right, parting the horse's mane. And receive. One more time, gather your ball as you bring your foot in and step out. Breathe out. Half step forward. This is transition one. White crane spreads wings. Open up your wings. Present your wings. That's actually a double block. Turn to the left and turn to the right. Brush knee 3 times. Step out, heel to toe. Give one and receive one. Step forward with your right. Notice there's a low block with your right arm and a palm strike with your left. Receive. One more time. We breathe in when we prepare, and we breathe out when we push. Transition 2, half step. Hands come up on guard, and we strum the lute. Repulse monkey 4 times. Step back with your left. Push and pull. Step back with the right. Nice job. And left. Smooth, fluid movements. One more time. Nice. Shift your weight left and gather your ball. Bring the ball in. Ward off to the left. Your arm comes out, expanding, and then grasp the bird's tail. Bring the tail feathers down. Press, palm to wrist. Clear and push. Receive and turn towards the water. Shift your weight to your left and bring the ball in. Same pattern to the right. Give one, receive one. Press, clear, and push. Single whip. Shift your weight to your left, left shoulder goes back. Shift your weight to your right, right shoulder back. Bring the left foot in, and your right wrist comes out. Open to the left. Wave hands like clouds. Shift weight right, left hand goes in a circle, and we begin to wave. Right foot in, and wave to the right. Step out left, wave to the left. Receive, turn towards the back, shift your weight to your right leg, left heel kick. This is when you want to find someone else to follow. Step out to the left, snake creeps through the grass. Receive. Golden rooster stands on one leg. Turn towards the front and wrap the branch. Snake creeps through the grass to the right. Step out with your right. Snake creeps. Give. Receive. Golden rooster stands on one leg. Jade lady works shuttles to the right. That's a high block to the right and a palm strike. Receive. Form your ball and step to the left. High block and palm strike. Last transition step, half step. Needle at bottom of C. Step off with your left heel, fan back. Shift your weight to your right, turn all the way around to the right. Right foot comes in, right foot comes out for parry, block, and punch. Step forward, punch. Clear your forearm and wrist, final push. Receive and turn towards the front. Closing. Breathe in and out. All right, we did it. Good job. Now that we got through the Tai Chi form, this is a big milestone because the form doesn't change. You're now familiar up here, so the more you do it, the more the movements will start to make sense. Great, let's all do parting the horse's mane together. Let's face this way. Grab your ball. Okay, we're going to step off to the left. So step off, heel to toe. The right palm comes down as the left palm comes up. What does that mean and how is that a martial arts move? We're going to show you now. Can we just straight on? Right, just like that. Left leg forward. So what happens is the puncher steps forward and I shift my weight to my right to give myself some space and time. And look, I form my ball and look what happens. I have my ball here. I step out, I come underneath the armpit or axilla, and then I just turn. That's the move. So the punch comes in, I shift my weight. You see how that turns into an automatic grab? Step behind, come up, and all I do, I can actually let go of this here, but all I do is I just turn. It's real simple. Thank you for picking the movement where I need to be the most stretched out and warm. Come on over. So you all can appreciate this move. Let's do it together.
Okay.
All right, so facing forward. Your right hand is in front of you, it's on guard. Left hand wraps the branch. What we do is we step out. Yeah. Come down, 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 keep going. And then the snake creeps through the grass. Okay? One more time facing you. Wrap the branch with your left hand. This hand is on guard. So we step out. This is the snake. As you go down, the snake creeps down through the grass, and then it kind of creeps through the grass, and then it strikes. This hand right back here watches your back. Okay? Very good. So this is snake creeps through the grass. So high punch. Okay. All right, you jump and punch. Okay, and then you'll step forward with your right. Okay, so the punch comes in, and as usual, I want it to block. I want to clear and block. And so Zola's expecting I'm going to do something up here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down quickly, shoot for that leg, and it becomes a takedown. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for joining us at Tai Chi in the Park, part of our Integrative Medicine series. I hope you learned something, you see how accessible Tai Chi can be, and hopefully you're at least a little bit more relaxed.